Morning. Bloody foggy morning today. We were rained off from the digger job, but gonna jump in the old Massey, but she's low on oil, so gonna top it up. Gotta undo this cover over here. See that? Yeah. Undo this cover, pop it off, and then that's where you fill up the hydraulic oil from. Drop it. Make sure this is clean. Shit out. Beautiful. Shouldn't take too much. Double check. Hydraulic oil. So it's taken a few litres. That's going to be a bit better. Bang in the middle now. So it's max up there, and then it's your min. So in the middle, it's still going up a little bit because it's still just working its way in, but it should be right. Check its other fluids. Oh, it's covered in grease. Yep, that's good. Oh, so here's your two-hander. Where can you stick there? It's in. Trailer will walk around. Check tyres are good. Nothing's buggered. Wheels are good. And then I've already done the oil, and then the coolant is up underneath there. So she's ready to go. So that's it. Let that drain for a bit. There. Put the lid on. Down a bit more. Why is that popping off? Oh, it's on there now. Sweet. Doors down. Screen and 200 are here. Sandpit's all cleaned out. Go up with the kitty. Key in. tractor now, loading out some sand, the digger, and then Mitch is down here in the dozer.
I'm still on a network connection, eh? As I didn't accidentally click the fucking stop on smart base until the wall was activated. I think so. Was that in settings? Check that.
Yeah, I think it was settings and then localization. Or one of the ones on the left anyway. Can't remember which one it's called. Down here, do a bit of a little spread.
Stop. Go through it with them again, Jake.
Yeah. Which is just battling with the GPS a bit. It's not really, doesn't want to connect, so not too sure if it's on the right setting or not. We'll get it sorted.
It's still on a network. Sounds like getting all over it now.
Spread there, come down, spin around, back for the load. The GPS just been, we've been battling a bit. It's been playing up for this row that they're trying to trim up. The dozer's been reading different to the digger, and then it's been jumping on the wrong plan, and yeah, so. Finally on the right plan today, but it's not quite connecting up, so I don't know. It's alright though. Mitch is just learning a bit of the GPS stuff, so this is part of GPS, and it's not working. It's pain in the ass.
If you need to run the wheel up on that side to spin around, we're at that low height now anyway.
Spin around, the Massey turns around quite bloody sharp, so bloody handy.
Once we get the stand height right, we're going to put 300 alone down, then 300 top score, and then should be a finished level.
Alright, so we're not actually doing the road.
Another one, so there's not too much for all young blood to push.
Yep, all good.
going to get the price for the update calibration done, and he's going to get a booklet, operating manual booklet for it, so we can fucking go through the fucking thing.
Oh yeah, that'd be handy. Could have had that a few years ago.
Yeah. If it wasn't for the YouTube videos, we would have been fucked.
Is it fog or is it fog and drizzle coming down now?
Yeah, a bit of both. I looked at the forecast yesterday and I thought you two would be here fucking today. Put that topsoil back around that house yesterday so we could save the sand job, and there's some rock jobs I've got up my sleeve too. Keep us busy in the wet times.
Alright. Now, all done for the day. Got deck. Let's just do a couple of last push outs, and
And yeah, the fuel up, grease up, and then park up. Trying to get the drone out, but the bloody battery's flat. I was going to get a real cool video of the tractor come along the track and the dozer pushing it out, but oh well.